Hello, dear student. How are you? Dear student, today I am present in front of you with a new topic. As you watching on screen, Rickley and John's test for senior citizen fitness. So, dear student, till now, be many tests we read about the young children and adult peoples, but now we have to read about the Rickley and John test for the senior citizen fitness. So we should also we can check our grandparents fitness level. So by the senior citizen test fitness test, this test this test can be tell us about the fitness of our senior citizen peoples. So senior citizen fitness test was developed by Roberta Rickley and Dr. Jesse Jones. So basically, this test is given the name by according their names. It consists of 6 easy and simple tests that assess the functional fitness of senior citizens. The tests are easy to understand and effective tests to measure the aerobic fitness, strength, and flexibility using minimal and inexpensive equipments. This test has common activities such as the getting up from chair, walking, lifting, bending and stretching. The test involves following test items. So these are simple tests we have to conduct for the senior citizen. So first test, the purpose of Rickley and John test to check the fitness ability of senior citizens. So this purpose of the Rickley and John's test to check the fitness ability of senior citizens. So test item first, chair stand test. So chair stand test, purpose of this test, check the leg strength and endurance. So by this test we can check the leg strength and endurance of senior citizens. So equipments, we have to need the equipments for this test. Equipment required are straight back chair without arms, approximately 45 centimeter height should be of that chair, and that chair should be without arms. So administration of and procedure of this test. So place the chair against the wall or stabilize it for safety. Second, the person sits on chair with feet apart at shoulder width on the floor, arms crossed at the wrist and held close to chest. Next, from sitting positions, the person stand completely up and then completely back down. It is the repeated for 30 seconds. So timing is given for this test for 30 seconds. The number of complete chair stand up and down equal one stand is score. So chair in stand test you are watching on screen, that like this they have to do for the 30 seconds this test up and down on the chair. So evolution norms chart for the reference is given here. So you are watching that age category is given, the different age categories are given here: 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79, 80 to 84, and 85 to 90, and 90 to 94. So these all senior citizen, they can check their fitness level. So below average for men 14 for 60 to 64 age group. So below average men 14, below average women 12, and average men 14 to 19, average women 12 to 17, above average men 19, and above average women 17. So like this chart, the different age group according to different age group given the chart here. So by this we can check out that the senior citizen below average or above average. So by this chart we can check out and we can evaluate the fitness level of senior citizen, which fitness level, strength and endurance, the check of the leg strength and endurance we can check by the chair stand test. So now second, arm curl bicep test. So arm curl bicep test, we can, this test, purpose of this test, the measure upper body strength and endurance. So arm curl bicep test, by this test we can check the upper body strength and endurance of senior citizen. Equipment required are 4-pound dumbbells. So 4-pound dumbbells. Weight for the women are 8-pound dumbbells for weight for men. A chair without arm rest and stop bar. So administration and procedure of the test. The aim of test is to as many arm curls as possible in 30 seconds. This test is conducted on the stronger dominant arm side. The person sits on the chair holding the dumbbells, weight and arms is vertically. So downward positions beside chairs. Brace the upper arm against the body so that only the lower arm is moving, and curl the arm up through a full range of the motions, flexion of arms and afterwards arm downs, extension of arms. Repeat this action as many times as possible within 30 seconds. So the number of complete curl action up and down considered as one is a score. So norms chart reference is given here, and you can see the administration and procedure of the test like this. We have to sit and we have to make the this exercise up and down and consider one, the flexion of arm and extension of arm. So dumbbells weight already I have told that for women 4 pounds and for men 8 pounds. Now evolution you can check here, the different age categories are given here like that: 60 to 64, 65 to 69, 70 to 74, 75 to 79 and 80 to 84, 85 to 89 and 90 to 94. So this is the age categories given. Below average for man, for the in 30 seconds should be 16, below average less than 16 for men, and for women less than 13, average man 16 to 22, average women 13 to 19, average man more than 22 and average women more than 19. So according to this chart we can check out the all categories. Upper strength and endurance of the senior citizen. So these are different categories given here. You can check out the in your home, your grandparents age, according age you can check their fitness level. So distant, I think that you have understood about the both test today I have explained. First chair stand test and second I have explained arm curl bicep test. So chair stand test for especially this test is check the leg strength and endurance, and arm curl bicep test, this test measure upper body strength and endurance. So procedure already I have told. Evaluation chart I have given you. According to this chart you can evaluate your grandparents fitness. Okay, yes, distant, thank you, bye bye. Now we will soon meet with a new topic, and whatever topic we are teaching you, please you have to revise every topic in proper way, and note down on your notes book and write. Already I have given the PDF of this chapter, so you have to write optional questions and 3 marks questions, 5 mark questions. So please you have to write in good hand and complete the notes and show me, and after completing the syllabus on daily basis I'll take test. So be ready for the test also, and all topic you have to revise, and any problem if you are getting in any topics, you are not getting understand any topic, then you can ask with me, you can contact me in my WhatsApp number or you can call me. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you again.